On this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect your Google Calendar to Peasy so that Peasy can actually read your calendar and automatically identify free time for your prospect to make appointment. So first thing in your Peasy account, click on the profile setting button at your top right. Select profile setting and you will see there is this little tiny button here that says connect to Google Calendar. Click on the connect button, select your Google account. Click continue. And once you're done, you can see um, your calendar is now connected to Peasy. It should mention connected to Google Calendar account. Conflicting calendars allow you to check multiple calendars in addition to your original calendar for free open slots. Click save. That's it. You're done.